In a world where nature and modernity are increasingly intertwined, the modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area presents an inspiring blend of form, function, and aesthetics. Designed to celebrate open-air living and the organic beauty of tropical environments, these spaces are a seamless extension of both the home and the surrounding landscape, offering a sensory-rich experience that prioritizes relaxation, social interaction, and a connection to nature. Below, we dive into the various aspects of designing a modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area in exquisite detail. One of the hallmarks of a modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area is its integration with the natural environment. Whether it's nestled within a garden, beside a pool, or with an ocean view, the design begins with understanding the local climate and natural surroundings. The tropical environment, with its warmth, humidity, and abundant greenery, plays a significant role in shaping the design. Thoughtful positioning of the kitchen and dining areas allows homeowners to take advantage of breezes for natural cooling, while overhangs or pergolas provide essential shade. A central feature of modern tropical outdoor kitchens is the presence of a pergola, canopy, or roof structure that offers protection from tropical rains and intense sunlight while preserving the open-air feel. The roofing material is often chosen to reflect the tropical climate, with durable options like treated hardwood slats, bamboo, or even metal with wood cladding. These materials provide shelter while contributing to the overall aesthetic, blending contemporary design with organic textures. One of the defining characteristics of modern tropical architecture is the use of natural, sustainable materials that harmonize with the environment. For the outdoor kitchen and dining area, this means embracing materials that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also resilient to the harsh tropical climate. A modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area is often part of a larger outdoor living space, such as a courtyard, pool deck, or garden. The design blurs the lines between the kitchen and adjacent outdoor areas, creating a seamless flow that enhances the sense of openness and connection to nature. A modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area is much more than a functional space. It's a reflection of the tropical lifestyle, where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur, and nature becomes a key part of the living experience. By combining modern conveniences with sustainable materials, open-air designs, and a strong connection to the landscape, this architectural concept offers a relaxed, luxurious setting for cooking, dining, and socializing amidst the beauty of the tropics. Whether it's the use of natural materials, careful orientation to maximize breezes and views, or the seamless integration with the surrounding landscape, the modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area represents the perfect blend of form, function, and nature.